Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Quicken financial platform and its different features. I will walk you through the benefits of the platform and how to get started using it. First, you need to go to the official website, quicken.com. This is the home page where you will see an overview of what Quicken offers. It provides a powerful budgeting tool, financial insights, and the ability to connect all your financial accounts in one place. You can get a comprehensive overview of your income, expenses, and investments, allowing you to make informed financial decisions. Additionally, you can access customer support and choose whether you need Quicken for personal or business use. Now let's take a closer look at the different plans available. Quicken offers multiple options based on your needs. The most basic plan is Quicken Simplify, which is available as a mobile and web app. It is designed for general budgeting and helps users track their income, expenses, and savings goals. Then there are the Quicken Classic plans, which include Quicken Classic Premier and Quicken Classic Business and Personal. These plans come with additional features such as investment tracking, debt management, and small business financial tools. Pricing starts at $2.99 per month for Quicken Simplify, while the Quicken Classic Business and Personal plan starts at $5.59 per month. Both plans are available for Windows and Mac users. Scrolling further down the website, you will find more details about the features and benefits of each plan. Quicken allows you to set financial goals, track your progress, and make adjustments along the way. Whether you want to save for a specific goal, reduce your debt, or build a financial safety net, Quicken provides tools to help you stay on track. It also offers insights into where your money is going, helping you identify areas where you can cut expenses and save more effectively. Additionally, Quicken provides investment tracking tools to help you grow and diversify your portfolio and plan for retirement. To get started with Quicken, you need to create an account. You can sign in to either Quicken Simplify or Quicken Classic by clicking on the My Account button or selecting Get Started. For this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of signing up for Quicken Simplify. After clicking Get Started, you will be taken to the sign-up form where you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password to secure your account. Once you enter your details, you will receive a 6-digit verification code via email. Enter this code on the website to confirm your email address. After verification, you will be redirected to the payment page. Quicken does not offer a free trial, so you must select a subscription plan and enter your payment details. You can pay using a credit card or PayPal. If you decide not to subscribe right away, you can go back to the home page and explore other features before making a decision. Now let's take a closer look at Quicken's features and how they can help you manage your finances more effectively. One of the most valuable features is the ability to set and track savings goals. Whether you're planning for a major purchase like a house, a car, or even a dream vacation, Quicken allows you to create a specific goal and monitor your progress with a visual progress bar. You can define a target amount, set a realistic timeline, and watch as your savings grow over time. The platform provides clear visual representations of your progress, which can serve as a strong motivator to stay on track. Additionally, you can integrate your savings goals directly into your budget by setting up automatic deductions from your income, making it easier to build your savings without having to think about it constantly. Another essential feature is debt management. If you have outstanding loans or credit card balances, Quicken provides tools to help you track, manage, and ultimately reduce your debt over time. You can set a specific repayment goal, establish a timeline, and closely monitor your balance as you make payments. The platform also includes progress bars that show exactly how much you've paid off and how much remains, giving you a clear picture of your progress. Plus, you have the flexibility to adjust your repayment plan as needed, helping you stay on track even if unexpected expenses arise. For those looking to take control of their budget, Quicken offers powerful spending insights to help you track where your money is going. The platform allows you to categorize expenses and generate detailed reports, giving you a clear breakdown of your spending habits. By identifying patterns in your expenses, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut costs. For example, if you realize that a significant portion of your budget is going toward dining out, you can adjust your spending to prioritize other financial goals. Additionally, Quicken helps you stay on top of your finances with notifications for bill payments and income deposits, ensuring you never miss an important due date or financial update. Beyond day-to-day budgeting, Quicken is also a powerful tool for long-term financial planning, particularly for retirement savings. If you're preparing for retirement, the platform allows you to set up a structured savings plan tailored to your financial goals. You can monitor your retirement contributions, track the growth of your savings, and make adjustments as needed to stay on course. Quicken also provides valuable insights into key financial factors that could impact your retirement savings, helping you make smarter decisions and plan for a more secure financial future. Now, let's compare Quicken to other financial management options. Many people still use basic spreadsheets to track their income and expenses, while others rely on free budgeting apps. While these methods can be helpful, Quicken provides several key advantages that set it apart. First, Quicken offers a more robust and customizable interface, allowing you to tailor the platform to your specific financial goals. Unlike spreadsheets, which require manual updates, Quicken automates much of the process, saving you time and effort. Second, Quicken is available on both desktop and mobile, ensuring seamless access to your financial data without the distraction of ads. Many free budgeting apps rely on advertisements or upselling additional services, but with Quicken, you get a clean, uninterrupted experience. Third, your data is secure, and you don't have to worry about third-party companies accessing your information or receiving unwanted sales calls. Finally, Quicken provides dedicated customer support, something that free budgeting apps often lack. If you ever run into issues or need help navigating the platform, you can rely on expert assistance. If you're serious about managing your finances, Quicken is a worthwhile investment. The pricing is reasonable compared to the wide range of features it offers. You can compare the different plans on the Quicken website to find the best fit for your needs. For general budgeting and expense tracking, Quicken Simplify is a great choice. If you need more advanced features, such as investment tracking and business management tools, Quicken Classic provides a more comprehensive solution. To wrap things up, Quicken is a powerful and comprehensive financial management platform that helps you track your income, expenses, savings, and investments, all in one place. It provides a wide range of tools to assist you in setting and achieving financial goals, managing debt efficiently, planning for retirement, and maintaining full control over your budget. Whether you need a simple budgeting tool or a more advanced financial management solution, Quicken offers flexible plans to suit your needs. And that's it. Thank you for watching.